Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. I'm using the wood crate framelets to make a little holder for a couple of Yankee candle votives. Now, I love Yankee candle votives. These were just two I had in my inspiration drawers here. But I love the wood crate. I can't believe I haven't used it before. I can't believe my cat's chewed it. Saucy. But I can't believe I haven't used it before. Blimey, you could fit all sorts in there. I've seen people put, you know, make a little glue shop with it by putting in a, you know, they put a snail in it and, or glue gift I should say, and some Tombow and, you know, gift them away like that. But, you know, I have also seen them with little cellophane bags and sweeties and stuff, but you know me and a candle, and I would look at that perfect fit. Happy, happy me. So I've used the Garden Impressions paper on this. I didn't want to make it woody. I didn't want to use the wood framelit, the wood paper with the wood crate. I wanted to do something different because I'm a little bit contrary like that. So what I've got is more Garden Impressions paper, and I've got two candles that are in a toning colour. They happen to be Rainbow Cookie, which, God, that's just an amazing smell. And then obviously I've got the framelets, because this is going to do the hard work for me. What you have to watch for is that there are, I'll move this off so you can see it, there are obviously cutting parts to it completely, and it does pop up higher, but you've also got score lines, which I don't know how well you can see, but they run there and here. So, and I do wonder if you could get two off of one sheet. Probably. Well, I'm not going to battle with it now. I'll work it out later. So, I've got my big shot here. And I've got one clear plate. Where's my other clear plate? Oops. Oh, it's on the floor. That's no good. So cutting plate, clear plate, paper, my crate die, my other cutting plate, which is on the floor, which is now picked up, and I'm also, only because I struggled to find the score lines, I'm just going to put a shim across, just so that it will help with those score lines. And like I say, when I made this, made my first one, I struggled to see it. So, yes, I can see them better there. There's one, there's the other, and whoops, and there's the third one. So that's what you look. Oh, actually, and there's one there as well. Obviously, because that's the bottom of the box. So I need to repeat all of that again, and put that on there. Put that on there, and this. And I've squashed this so flat now. I'm actually going to fold it in half. Get that through. No, it's not going through. There you go. Look at that, it's super smooth. Power of Big Shot. Okay, so put those off and out of the way. And then, yes, I can definitely see the score lines now. And it's a very simple put together. So you've got 4 score lines to find. And you're just literally marrying it up because it's a mirror image. So it's going to come together like that. I'm going to run some adhesive on the bottom of the box and get that lined up in there. And some adhesive on this part, that part there, to line it up, and this one, I didn't line that one up very well. Oh, I've gone a shade over. Oh, can you see? A hair of a whisper. That's okay, no drama, we'll trim that. Line it up better than me. No problemo, we'll just trim that away. It does line up perfectly, my first one's fine. There we go. Adhesive on there. Probably a stronger glue would be better, but it's that's the sides coming together. So I need to get some adhesive on this bit. Tuck that in. And on this bit. Oops. Tuck that in. And that is the crate made. How cute is that? Easy peasy. And isn't it pretty with the flowers? Oh, love it. 2 candles in there. They fit beautifully. Oh, that glue's popping off. They fit beautifully. And then just a little bit of stamping. So let me grab some Whisper White. I've got the matching woodword stamp set. I'm going to take a chunk of this. And then I'm going to go for You. And a big block. Some Melon Mambo, which is the colour in there. That didn't come out very well. I think I might need to re-ink my pad, my ink pad. That's better. Punch a chunk of it with the label punch, classic label punch. Throw your ink, throw your clear blocks around. I'm going to run this through the big shot with the, there's one of the framelits that comes with it is a little tag. So bring that in again. So again, magnetic platform, clear plate. Need to go the other way around, don't I? Die, and then other clear plate on the top. And I can start sticking all this on. So I want the edge of my dimensionals for this bit. Oh, that's popped undone again. Maybe doing it without the candles would be better. There we go. So that onto the front, about there. I need my twine. You know what? I did cut it the tag the wrong way around. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Oops. Dimensional on the back of that. Go over there. So that's the box with this little tag. A couple of candles in. You could put somebody's name on here. Those could be table favours. You could just simply have them on display. If you're a craft fair, if you sell at craft fairs, sell finished projects, these would be brilliant, lovely little gifts. Although I think if they were going to be handled by a lot of, you know, lots of people picking them up and looking at them and inspecting them, maybe cardstock with it. If you're going to have something heavy like candles, but obviously if you're just going to gift it to somebody, it's no drama. But I think probably if you're going to have lots of people picking them up, they do, well, they don't move around, but they will cause this to buckle, and you just don't want people handling them and wrecking them before you sell them. But I just think that's lovely. I really like it. I like it a lot. I think it's, what a charming little shape. What's the size of it? Oh, 4 centimetres by 8 centimetres. I don't know what that is in inches. That's about 1.5. Yeah, 1.5 by 3 1/8. Pretty good size. Anyway, oops. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.